This topic is called domain of a square root function. We're going to graph the domain of the function on the number line. It tells us that f of x equals the square root of negative 9x plus 9. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to find what would make underneath the square root positives or zeros, but we can't have the square root of negatives, so that's our boundary. So we're going to start off by taking just the part that's underneath the square root, negative 9x plus 9, and setting it equal to 0. So we would subtract 9 on both sides. We get negative 9x equals negative 9. And then we would divide by negative 9. So we end up with x equals 1. X equals 1 would give us 0, and that is fine. So we fill that circle in with the open or the closed dot. And now we ask ourselves, okay, would x equals 0 work, or would x equals 2 work? Which side would continue to give us positive numbers? Well, if we plug in 0, this is 0 plus 9. 9 is a positive number. Whereas if we plug in 2, negative 9 times 2 is negative 18, plus 9 is a negative 9, and that would not work. So any number up here would continue to give us negatives, and any number on the left-hand side would continue to give us positives, and we want to shade the region that will give us positive answers. Usually if there's a negative sign, we shade to the left. If there's a positive sign, we shade to the right. But I would not depend on that shortcut. I would make sure I plug in the numbers and make sure I get what I need. Good luck with this topic. Thank you.